going on, everybody? In today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this MOMO Start bucket seat, which I got for the Volvo 240. Oh, this is gonna be a mess. Oh my gosh. Oh no. It's all the way full. So this is MOMO's entry-level bucket seat. It is called the MOMO Start. I was in between this seat, the Sparko Sprint, I believe it is called, and the Corbeau, I think it's DFX, whatever Corbeau's entry-level bucket seat is. The reason I didn't pick Corbeau over this MOMO seat is that it was not FIA certified, and I would like to take this to some maybe track days here and there. I didn't have to worry about not having an FIA certified seat. And then secondly, the Sparko Sprint, the reason I did not pick that seat is I genuinely just thought it was ugly, and it was a little bit more expensive, so I like the black and the yellow, little yellow accents matches kind of with the car. I'm not mad about it. The whole seat is cloth. The whole cover is removable in case you wanted to watch it. It's got Velcro all the way around. You can see here's one of the Velcro points, and then the bottom, it like string ties around kind of like a drawstring bag or like maybe some athletic shorts. So yeah, this seat, the quality is awesome. The only thing I've noticed thus far is the MOMO logo is slightly off-centered, but I think if I were to take off this cover, put it back on, or if I just pull the fabric a little bit, it'll slide this way because the cover is removable. So yeah, this seat takes a 5-point harness, 2 holes here, 1 in the middle, 1 on each side. And it's a great entry-level bucket seat if you're looking to get into something. It is relatively comfortable. I haven't driven on it yet, so long term I'll let you guys know how it is in one of the videos. But I am 5'8", roughly 145 pounds, and there's a little bit of room on the sides in between where my leg hits here, but otherwise this fits really well. If you're probably kind of skinnier, lankier like I am, I would say you could probably get up to maybe 5'10", 5'11" for the seat. They do make an XL version, which is bigger, but this seat fits me pretty well. If anything, I could be a little bit bigger. It's a little bit loose, but nothing to complain about. It's gonna be much better for driving it daily. So yeah, this seat is pretty awesome. Other little details, the seat does weigh, I think it's 17.6 pounds. It's 17 point something, so 17 pounds, which is really light compared to most of your stock seats. I know these Volvo 240 seats are damn heavy, so it'll definitely be weight savings. If you're looking for something that is going to be shaving ounces and ounces off like a professional race car, this is not the seat. This is an entry bucket. If you're looking into some just like weekend track days, but you know, you occasionally drive it more daily, this is a perfect entry level bucket seat. The price for it was about $485 without shipping. I got free shipping on the seat because I did not order it straight from MOMO. I think MOMO was asking for about $200 shipping. If I get free shipping at another website, I think it was called Subi Mods. Not 100% sure, but look it up. You can probably find it. I got free shipping for this seat there. But yeah, I kind of just want to make this video. It's not super long. There aren't any great reviews on the seat out there. I want to make something clear. I definitely recommend the seat just having it out of the box. It's very nice. The cloth is good, and it's a great entry-level seat. Highly recommend the MOMO. Picked it over the Sparko Sprint and the Corbeau DFX. But yeah, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. I really appreciate you guys watching it. I will leave a link to the seat on Momo's website down below. The next video, I'm going to be installing these bad boys and making some custom brackets for the seat. Save about 150 bucks making some of them. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment. I will read and respond to every single one. Unless for whatever reason this video blows up and gets millions, I will try my hardest to read every single comment. And follow me on Instagram, max._Jolley. I post more just like regular content on Instagram, and I post more frequently as well, so you can see everything I'm doing at this 240. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next video. What is going on, losers?